When being caught up by an emergency vehicle, most drivers will follow their instinct to get out of the way as fast as possible. Firstly, think of what an emergency vehicle is. It may be an ambulance rushing to help a patient, a police vehicle speeding towards a crime, a fire tender going to help someone in danger, or a doctor on an urgent call. Remember, doctors have a green light, not a blue one. So, what do we do when one approaches with its lights flashing and/or sirens sounding? You should follow these steps to allow it to pass safely. 1. Stay calm. Do not panic. Keep a clear head to ensure safety for yourself and other road users. 2. Check your surroundings. Look in your mirrors and check for any other vehicles around you that may also need to react. 3. Signal intentions. If it's safe to do so, indicate your intention to pull over. Use your indicators to show that you're moving to the side. 4. Pull over safely. Move to the left side of the road. Make sure you are not stopping on a pedestrian crossing, double yellow lines, or in a way that obstructs traffic. 5. Stop if needed. If you're in heavy traffic and cannot move over, simply remain stationary and allow the emergency vehicle to navigate through. Don't attempt to weave through traffic aggressively. 6. Watch for additional vehicles. Once the first emergency vehicle has passed, stay alert for any additional emergency vehicles that may be following closely behind. 7. Resume driving cautiously. After the emergency vehicle has passed and it's safe to do so, check your mirrors and rejoin the flow of traffic. Remember, always prioritize safety for both yourself and emergency responders. But if you're not careful, your best intentions could still see you hit with a hefty fine. This is because road laws still apply in the event of encountering an emergency vehicle, and you will still need to comply with relevant traffic signs. Running a red light can still lead to a fine if you are moving out the way of an emergency service vehicle. Examples that could see you be hit with a heavy fine include entering a bus lane, stopping in a yellow box junction, or driving through a red traffic light. As CCTV cameras are increasingly being used to fine motorists for offences such as these, especially in city centres, remember that getting out of the way for an ambulance, police car or fire engine won't exempt you from paying fines. As an example, you could be hit with a fixed penalty notice for £100 and 3 penalty points on your licence for jumping a red light, even if it's at low speed to get out of the way of an emergency vehicle. If it goes to court, the penalty could be even bigger. Thank you for watching our presentation. Please like and subscribe for even more helpful videos.